Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do this dark feminine makeup, or you can say that this makeup is very much suitable for brown eyes. So I'm recreating this look today. First of all, I'm clearing my skin. Face wash and the clean wipes and the toner, moisturizer, whatever you want to do, you can, because skin prep is very much important for your skin, and I always do skin prep before the makeup. So for this makeup I'm using SPF 30 like sunlight protection, and which is matches my skin tone very much, and it is a warmer shade. All the product links are in the description box. So first of all, I'm dabbing the foundation with my fingers here, and you can use brush or beauty blender, but I use fingers because I prefer that using fingers is the most affordable maybe. Yeah, so and after that I'm blending the makeup with a wet beauty blender. For skin prep, it is a very important that you have to give some minutes, like couple of minutes after each skin prep, because if your skin is dry, and then you have to give time your skin to absorb the product. After that I'm using a high coverage concealer here, so hide for hiding my dark spots and like the tan areas. After that, as you can see, I didn't use so much product. I am using less product as much as I can. After that, I'm highlighting the areas where I need more light, under my eyes, sides of the nose. It depends on your like skin type and face shape. So generally I don't follow these things. I just go with my like face shadows, where the lights comes and where I have the shadows on my face. So according to that, I'm using the light points as for my highlight area. So blending with my fingers, then I'm using a wet beauty blender to set the product on my skin. Generally, I always prefer natural makeup. I don't go for heavy and chunky makeup, because nowadays in 2026 natural makeup is trending. After that, I'm using a peach shadow blush here. So this is a concealer, okay, but I'm using this as a blush because in this makeup I don't need like a pinkish or reddish tone blush. I need a oranges which will match my skin shade, like my undertone. After that, I'm using a high coverage concealer here again for my eyelids, and dabbing the product with a beauty blender here again, and setting the product. After that, I'm using an eyeshadow palette, so the product link is below in the description box. First of all, yeah, this is a very important part, so I have skipped. So this one is moisturize your lips. Okay, yeah, this is a very important step you have to do, because sometimes your lips are getting cracked and chapped due to for the weather. And next for the eyes, I'm starting the eye makeup with a light brown eyeshadow. Then I'm dragging it out and soften it with a light pink eyeshadow here. After that, I will create a wing here, but I will not take a brown, like the dark brown and the black eyeshadow. Don't pick that. Take a light brown eyeshadow and create a corner on your outer corner of your eyes, and just softly drag it and smudge it out. Then I'm using a kajal here, and don't use your kajal in the waterline. Always use your kajal on the lash line area, upper lash line and the lower lash line. Then I'm taking a gel, like brow gel, and the black one. So then I'm creating a wing liner here. So as I have a hooded eye, so I have created a video like how to do a wing liner correctly. So you can check the description box, or you can press the I button here. Yeah, then I'm using mascara here. So next step is to setting the eyeliner, like to set the eyeliner, like you have created a eyeliner with a gel. Okay, so then you have to set the eyeliner with a gel eyeliner or a liquid eyeliner. After that, I'm using a light coverage concealer here underneath my eyes to give a lifted look here, and then I'm blending it out. The next step is I'm gonna use the light brown eyeshadow following the lash line, like the where I applied kajal. So exactly on that point I will blending the eyeshadow there. Then I'm using the exactly the same eyeshadow and using it on the upper lash line. Then I'm using a little highlighter here. So for the brow, I have already uploaded a tutorial like how to do your brows properly. You can check that video out. Then I'm using a light brown eyeshadow and mixing with a dark brown eyeshadow to give a more natural and like smoky effect on my eyes. Then I'm setting my makeup with a banana powder here where I need the light, and then I'm blending it out. After that, I'm using a peach blush here for my cheeks, and I have also applied a little blush on the forehead, on the cheeks, and little bit in the nose to give a natural and like plump look for my face. Yeah, so if you are enjoying my makeup videos, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also check the another tutorials I have done here, and you can also check the shorts I have created just for you. You can enjoy it. After that, I'm going for highlighter here. So for highlighter, I'm using the Hojo highlighter here. Then I'm using concealer on my lips. So for this look, I don't need a very like red and very much pink color, so I'm using a darkest tone like the brown color on my lip and creating a thinnest lip line here. As you can see on the video, I'm just going with my the lip shape, and then I'm dragging the product with a nude lip color. After completing my look, I'm ending my makeup with the lip gloss and the eyelashes. Now it's time for final look with the dress and the hair and the hoops here, and yeah, my makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed this look, you loved this look. If you love this look, then subscribe to my channel and see you on the next video.